my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the tangerine oranges. At my back you can see the plant of the tangerine orange and it looks something like this. You can think what is the difference between tangerine oranges and the normal oranges that you bring at home. So the difference is, first you can see it easily that it is small in shape, and in addition to it, it is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, and it has a thin peel, so you can easily take off its peel and you can use it in many ways. So in this video I'm going to show the uses of the tangerine oranges. Watch the full video to know the advantages and the uses of the tangerine orange. So the first thing you can do with the tangerine orange is that it is very good for the health of the skin. So how you can use it, I'll let you know. So first we will use its peel. So take off its peel. It's very easy to take off its peel like this. So take off its peel and dry it in the shady region. After putting the peels in the shady region for about 2 days, it will look something like this. Then make a powder of it. By grinding the dried peels in the mixer grinder, the powder will look like this. And to the powder, add water and then put it on your face like a mask. And after 15 to 20 minutes or after it dries it out, take it off. And the time you are putting the mask, you can do like so you can do the tantana till the time you are having the mask on your face. After you take it off, you'll feel like having the smooth, the clean and acne free skin. क्या इधर से आपको मेरे फेस पे ब्लैक स्पॉट्स दिख रहे हैं? क्या इधर से आपको मेरे फेस पे पिंपल्स दिख रहे हैं? नहीं, क्योंकि है ही नहीं मेरा राज। This tangerine orange peel powder mask. We can make the tangerine drink also from these tangerine oranges. So let's go and make the tangerine drink. So to make the tangerine drink, we need 1 cup of water, some mint leaves, about 6 to 7 mint leaves, sugar, black salt, cumin powder, and a tablespoon and a teaspoon. So let's start. Add 1 cup of water. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 and 2. And stir it well. Now squeeze 2 tangerines. Now we'll add some mint leaves, about 6 to 7 mint leaves. So to add this mint leaves, we will first beat it and then add it. I'm beating it, but you can grind it also. So let's add it. So now to this we'll add half a teaspoon of black salt. So half a teaspoon of black salt and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon. Now I stir it well. So it's ready. Now to serve it, we'll take a glass and to this we'll add 4 to 5 ice cubes. Now add this drink to it. Now to garnish it, we'll add this tangerine slice to it. Like this. And your tangerine drink is ready. We can make the sorbet too of these tangerine oranges. So let's make the tangerine sorbet. Now to make the sorbet, we'll need a bowl, sugar, a tablespoon and a squeezer. So I'm making the sorbet for 8 tangerines. So first squeeze the tangerines. Now to the 8 tangerine juice, we will add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And if you like more sugary taste, more sweet taste, then you can add 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now stir it well. Now put this juice in your refrigerator, and after every 30 minutes just take it out and stir it. So let's put this in the refrigerator. At the end of the video, I'll show you the exact amount of nutrition that the tangerine oranges have. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.